Hello, my name is Genang Aiwanyu. My contact number is 291173. And now I will demonstrate our project, which is my health tracker. So, our so basically this three food intake management, database component, and nutrition API service is our existing component, and health analytics recommendation is the proposed one. Now I want to explain first food intake management. Here, user can input their food, calories, protein, carbs, and fat. Then also it can add food in here. For example, I add like apple, and then the calories is 52. I just use this data here below here. It has 0, and carbs is 14, and then fat 0.65, and then I just add record. Okay, and then it will add. If you want to add something but you don't know the calories or the protein, you just go to this bar and then you can go to this component, and then you can also update like this. If you miss calculate the calories of the or the protein like that, you can update. Example, I can do like 45, and then you can see in here is 45. And then in here also can delete also. Yes, delete. Okay. Then I want to express the database component. So basically, database component is for user to view what what are the records that use is like our data statistic, our system statistic, like it's the total here. So basically, it's suit mostly for admin actually. Yeah, and then it can also retrieve like the very reason insert operation. You can see Apple because before this I put Apple, and so it also show what operation that can be used in here, and then it will show like we have a DB like for the food component, API component, and health analytics. So I think that's all from me. Now I want to talk about nutrition API. Last time I mentioned that when you go to search food nutrition, it go to this component, right? So I will elaborate this component nutrition API service. So basically, it can retrieve all food. For example, pizza. Yeah, sweet or maybe see, it says pizza. It says different because pizza like it's very general. Right? If you key in like the specific one, it shows specific one. But because pizza, it's very general, and it shows a lot of pizza here, and also different serving size and calories like that. Okay, let's go like burger. I assume that it must be yeah, burger, veggie burger on bun, cheeseburger, Burger King. My friend love this hamburger. Whopper, so it shows different serving size and calories. So basically, it retrieves all kind of foods and drink. For example, like milkshake, uh, milkshake. Yes, correct. I think. Yeah, milkshake, big cherry, strawberry milkshake. Yeah, it's very like this. So basically, this component is to retrieve serving size, calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat. And also, it can be added to database. And then when you add to database, see milkshake, big cherry. Okay, so why we need to add that? In case you want to input this, you just type this in here, so you don't need to manually go to here anymore, like that. Thank you.
Okay, so my name is Akila Novaliksan. So my job is to explain the proposed new component, which is the health analytic and recommendation. So basically, as like my friend mentioned, all of the reusable components, it integrates to the proposed new component and combines all of the features. So basically, in the health analytics and recommendation, it provides all the data that user already put key in, like the burger, milkshake, and the others. So it can uh, it can count the calorie daily intake, which is 7 days. So calories 512 chow, protein 6 gram, carbs 18, and this is the diagram using the chart.gs. So it can track the calories, how much user uh, eat in 7 days, and personalized health recommendation. So when the user eat less carbs or calorie intake, so it can show the calorie intake is below recommended levels. So increase protein intake and aim at least 3 until 5 exercise session per week. So the proposed new components is just like this, and also it has health alerts, which is it can shows the warning level if the user eat low calories and they last lack of physical activity and they don't drink enough water. So this is the proposed new components.